They say aging is inevitable, but what if your body already holds the secret to slowing it down? No fancy supplements, no extreme diets, just one ancient, powerful practice: fasting. Today, we'll uncover why fasting after 40 can help you burn fat, boost energy, sharpen your mind, and even turn back the biological clock. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to fast safely and effectively for your age. Once you hit 40, things start to shift. Your metabolism slows down, you gain weight more easily, especially around the belly. Your hormones fluctuate, energy dips, and recovery takes longer. Here's the truth: your body isn't broken. It's signaling that it needs balance, and fasting is how you give it that reset. When you fast, insulin levels drop, allowing your body to tap into stored fat. Growth hormone, the one that keeps your muscles strong and skin youthful, rises, and your cells trigger a process called autophagy, where old damaged cells are recycled and replaced with fresh, new ones. Think of it as your body's built-in repair system. And after 40, that repair system needs your help more than ever. This isn't just wellness talk. It's backed by real science. Studies from Harvard, Stanford, and the National Institute on Aging all agree. Fasting triggers biological repair mechanisms linked to longevity. Here's what's happening inside you. Your blood sugar stabilizes, preventing insulin resistance. Inflammation decreases, reducing pain and stiffness. Mitochondria regenerate, boosting energy on a cellular level. You might not see it overnight, but with consistent fasting, you're literally training your body to age better. So, what does fasting actually feel like after 40? Sustainable weight loss. You're not counting calories. Your body simply becomes efficient at burning fat instead of sugar. Sharper focus. When you fast, your brain releases BDNF, a protein that supports memory, learning, and clarity. Less inflammation. That means fewer aches, faster recovery, better mood, better heart and metabolic health. Fasting lowers bad cholesterol and blood pressure, giving your cardiovascular system a powerful boost. And here's the kicker. In long-term studies, people who practice fasting regularly show lower risk of chronic diseases and a biologically younger age. Alright, let's talk about how to do it right. There's no one-size-fits-all, but here are 3 proven fasting methods that work great for anyone over 40. 1. The 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat in an 8-hour window. You can skip breakfast. Eat your first meal at noon, last one by 8 p.m. 2. The 5-2 plan. Eat normally for 5 days. Then choose 2 non-consecutive days where you eat about 500 to 600 calories. Perfect for people who like flexibility. 3. The 12-12 gentle fast, ideal for beginners. Fast 12 hours overnight, from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. You'll get benefits without feeling deprived. Pro tips: stay hydrated, water, green tea, or black coffee only. When you break your fast, start light. Lean protein, healthy fats, and vegetables. Avoid sugar or processed carbs right after fasting. They spike your insulin and undo progress. And always check with your doctor before starting, especially if you have diabetes or take medication. Fasting is meant to energize you, not exhaust you. If you feel dizzy, overly fatigued, or unwell, adjust your window or take a rest day. Here's what few people talk about. Fasting isn't just about the body. It's a mental reset. When you fast, you regain control over your impulses. You become more mindful of what and when you eat. You realize hunger isn't an emergency. It's a message. And learning to sit with that message builds discipline, focus, and peace. Many people describe it as a meditation for the body. So here's my challenge to you. Try fasting for just 1 week. Start small. Choose the 12-on-12 window. See how your body responds. The energy, the focus, the calm. Because fasting isn't about restriction, it's about renewal. It reminds your body that it knows how to heal. It reminds you that you can age stronger, lighter, and clearer than ever before. If this video inspired you, make sure to tap that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more science-backed health tips for life after 40, and share this with a friend who's ready to take back control of their health. Tell me in the comments, have you tried fasting? How did it change you? Oops. This is Elevate After 40, because aging strong is the new forever young.